Want to increase the text size on your Apple Watch? By doing this, you can read messages, menus, and notifications more comfortably. In this quick video, I'll show you 3 methods on how to increase the text size on your Apple Watch step by step. So without any further delay, let's get started. Method 1. Using Control Center. Press the side button to open Control Center. Scroll down a little bit. After that, look for the double A icon. Tap on it. A text size adjustment screen will appear. Rotate the digital crown to increase or decrease the text size. You can also tap the larger A icon on the right to incrementally increase the size. Method 2. Through the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Open the Settings app on your Apple Watch and scroll down a little bit. Tap Display and Brightness. Now tap Text Size. Tap the larger A icon on the right repeatedly or rotate the digital crown clockwise to increase the text size. Method 3. Using the Watch app on your iPhone. Grab the iPhone now. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap the My Watch tab from the bottom. Now tap Display and Brightness. Tag the text size slider to the right to increase the text size on your Apple Watch. You'll see a preview above the slider. And that's it. These are the methods to increase the text size on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.